Thanks for checking out Scotties Hobbies. Today I'm going to show you how to replace your front blinker or hazard light bulb on a 2016 to 2023 Toyota Tacoma. On the inside of the headlight assembly, the most inner lights are going to be your blinker or flasher. Grab these, turn it in a counterclockwise direction, and pull directly straight out of the headlight assembly, and the light bulb, everything should come out as one piece. At this point, you should probably disconnect the harness from the actual light bulb socket by using your thumb to press down on the locking mechanism and pulling directly out on the socket, and it should separate just like this. So far, so good. Now, the light bulb itself is a 7440A for amber. It should pop right out of the socket, pull directly out, and these two should come apart. But in this case, it did not. It broke in the socket. The light bulb broke inside there. So I'm not sure if this is going to be a common problem or common issue with this truck, but there will be links in the description below for the harness, the socket, and the bulbs. So if any of that needs to be replaced, look for links in the description below. If you're going to use a LED light at this point, make sure you have one that is not a hyper flashing light or has a hyper flashing light canceller built in. To install the new bulb, put it inside the socket. Hopefully it all worked out for you. Line up the ears inside the headlight assembly and turn the socket in a clockwise position to lock it into place. Grab your harness, plug your harness onto the socket. It should click into place. Give it a nice little tug. Make sure it's not going to come apart when you're driving down the road, and you're all set. Now on the passenger side, it's just as easy as the driver's side. You can see Toyota gave you some really nice, easy access to the headlight assembly on both sides. And your blinker, flasher isn't any different. Right here to the left of your windshield washer fluid reservoir is your blinker, light bulb, socket, and assembly. The most inner on the passenger side as well. Disconnect the pigtail from the socket just like we did on the other side. Turn your light bulb socket in a counterclockwise direction and it should pop right out. Again, replace that light bulb, stick it back into the headlight assembly, turn it in a clockwise position, and it locks into place. Everything is really easy on this truck so far. Make sure you check out the video library for a ton of other videos on this truck. Like, subscribe, and share. If you have any questions, make sure you comment below and let me know what year, make, model vehicle that this video helped you on. I'll see you on the next hopefully helpful video. Thanks for checking out Scotties Hobbies.